John, I think some of my favorite stories that we've done on Ocean Treks have been about coral reefs, and we've done this around the world, from Australia to Africa to the Caribbean. And when it comes to the biology of our oceans, they are literally like underwater rainforests. They are zeniths for life. 70% of all fish that live in the salt water will have some connection to a coral reef. And for Princess, how important are coral reefs? Why should we care about them, and what are we doing to protect them?
They're incredibly important because they're so fundamental to the ocean, and they're magnificent. And what we do is operate very carefully in any area that has a coral reef. So first of all, we're going to protect. Also, we're going to work with the local communities to source product and establish our supply chains in ways that respect that habitat and those coral reefs.
Unfortunately today, John, as we know, coral reefs around the world are in trouble. So in locations where you can find coral reefs, what are some of the projects that Princess is investing in?
Well, Princess operates around the world, and we are partnering with conservation organizations around the world to restore these valuable reefs.
Speaking of which, John, here's a great example of where we got to be a part of one of these conservation projects in the Dominican Republic. I am on an incredible excursion in the Dominican Republic. Travelers disembark to this paradise every day to relax on the white sandy beaches and swim in the gorgeous water. And today, I'm helping to restore a coral reef. Unfortunately today, throughout the tropical oceans of our planet, coral reefs are in serious trouble. Why? Climate change, trash, pollution, unsustainable fishing are having their toll. And that's why here, off of the Dominican Republic, 90% of the reefs are gone. Bill is trying to make a difference. Bill works with the Sosua Rejuvenation Project, and they're all about saving coral reefs. What are we going to do today?
So what we've done is we've gathered small coral tissue samples and created a coral nursery here below us. From that nursery, we take 10% of any single coral. We'll put this dome down in the water in a different location on a barren reef and attach the corals to it and let them grow.
So the plan is we're going to suit up?
Yep.
Head in the water?
You betcha.
Go get some coral samples. All right, Bill, you ready?
You betcha. Let's do it.
Let's go make a coral reef. "30 feet below the surface, Bill leads me to this underwater garden. As you can see, these fresh young corals are growing on a strategically laid out grid of rope tethered to the ocean floor and kept upright by empty plastic bottles serving as buoys. So they're perfectly exposed to the maximum amount of light and water flow. The particular species of coral growing on these ropes are staghorn coral. Staghorn coral is a very important species. It is both a hardy coral and it also grows very quickly, which is why Bill is using it to repopulate this nearby reef. Here you can see evidence of other conservation efforts in these ceramic reef balls. Okay, time to get clipping. Bill hands me the shears and carefully directs me to clip one of the corals mature enough to be transplanted. Here we go. Got it. Finally, one last clip. Looks like we have a perfect collection of coral for the dome. We've reached the area where we want to put the dome. My guide, Bill, needs to dive in and find the pre-selected spot. So, he's looking for that exact spot we need. It's got to be flat sand. We're going to drop the dome in from the boat. We don't want to drop it on a coral reef and damage what we're trying to protect. Once he finds that spot, he's setting up a air sausage, basically an inflatable. Come to the surface, let us know where he's at. All right, so there's our sausage right there. So, you ready for the dome?
Yeah, we can just lift it over the side and let it go down to the bottom.
All right, gonna send it down to a sandy bed. You ready?
Yeah, away we go.
And there it goes. All right, so I'm gonna head down there, meet Bill, and begin transplanting that coral. As you can see, the dome landed in a good spot. Bill fills up this bag with some air from his scuba tank in order to give the dome some buoyancy, so he can lift it over existing reef and put it safely into place. Now we can carefully begin attaching the branches of coral to the dome. Bill demonstrates how we do it. When you need to attach coral, look no further than a zip tie. All right, now it's my turn. Bill selected this location in part because it's roughly the same depth of the nursery, so these corals can quickly adapt to their new habitat. Well, we made quick work of that. Now just a little beautification with some scissors, and we're done. Look at this. You can see some of the other domes nearby that Bill and his team have already placed and planted. Hopefully in just a few years, this will all be unrecognizable as a conservation effort and will be looked upon as an amazing, diverse coral reef. At a neighboring fringe of reef, Bill shows me the payoff from coral reef restoration. Look at that right there, a trumpet fish. Their elongated bodies help them blend in with the vertical coral. Over here, you might not see anything near my finger. I mean, look at this, a perfectly camouflaged spotted scorpion fish. Watch out for their spines. They'll give you a painful puncture. Check this odd little creature out, a peacock flounder. They can actually change colors, just like a chameleon blends in with the jungle surroundings. The fish and coral we are seeing here are the result of this very important conservation restoration project. It's absolutely stunning down here, a reminder of why this program is so important.